Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my absolute favorite chocolate pecan pie recipe just in time for Thanksgiving. So if you are cooking today, please put me up on your screen and cook along with me.
It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need.
So this is the Ghirardelli chocolate pecan pie recipe from their cookbook, and I will have it linked down below for you. But here's a look at all the ingredients. As you can see, everything is measured out twice. That is because I'm going to be making two pies. I am going to mix it all together, but in order for me to keep myself nice and organized, I measure everything out twice to make sure I don't forget any ingredients and my pie comes out perfect every time. I am starting off by using a double boiler to melt 2 bars of chocolate with some butter. And once that is nice and shiny and creamy, we're going to go ahead and add that to the rest of our mixture. So while that chocolate is melting, I am going to go ahead and incorporate my eggs, my corn syrup, sugar, salt, and some vanilla all in my mixer and turn it on medium so that it can all get nice and combined, and then I will add in the chocolate.
So tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run and just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel?
This pie is so decadent and delicious. I promise you it will be a crowd pleaser. It is a staple in our home for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Once that chocolate is combined with our pecan pie mixture, it is time to add in those pecans. So using a spatula, I'm just going to stir them in so they don't break, and then we will add them to our pie crust in just a moment.
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me?
I am using a store-bought pie crust because I am not trying to reinvent the wheel. So I grabbed a 2-pack from Pillsbury, and I'm going to go ahead and roll them out to make sure that they are nice and even and all the edges are flat. Using a pair of kitchen shears, I'm going to go ahead and trim the excess and then use my fingers to create a pretty edge on the pie. My pies are filled. I'm going to put them in a 325-degree oven for about 55 minutes or until they are cooked throughout. It's really important to make sure your pies cool completely before serving. This allows the filling to solidify and really become gooey and delicious. Here is a look at the finished product. I promise you these are so good. I did make a second pie because we will not be celebrating with my in-laws this year, so we are going to make them some Thanksgiving plates and their own pie to take home and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I will see you all in another video. Bye!
When you're fed up with mistakes, maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you.